So this is my 2017 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in cement gray. I love this truck. And today it's half in my garage because I'm getting ready to change the oil. So every time I do this, it's a little bit of a pain in the neck. So I still use the plastic oil filter housing, and getting it off can be challenging, even though I'm the one who puts it on. And when I put it on, I torque it to about 20 foot-pounds. I have the Motiv tools oil filter wrench and the tools that go along with it. And like a knucklehead, when I went to take this off today, I'm using a 3/8 drive extension on a little breaker bar. And for whatever reason, even though I oil this before I put it back on and I torque it to 20 foot-pounds, it just gets so tight that with that 3/8 drive extension in the center of the hole here and the breaker bar, it just, it feels like I'm gonna break the thing in half trying to get it off. And then I finally realized the right way to do it is with a 1/2-inch drive serious breaker bar and a 27mm socket, right? Drop that on there, get underneath the truck. Of course, I can't do this one-handed. And with that, in the space of about 15 seconds, very, very gently, that thing comes loose. So don't use the 3/8 drive. Use a 27mm socket on a big breaker bar. Be gentle with it, and it'll come out. And then again, when you put it back together, make sure you use a little bit of oil on that seal. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. And if you've got a Tundra, I hope you love it as much as I do. Take care.